Good morning student, welcome to our virtual classes of Jet Kids. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is moving ahead with HTML. We know that HTML we have already learned in our last class, that is in 7th standard. We have already seen the HTML. This chapter is done in our last class. Okay, in our last standard we have completed, so you know all those things about HTML. Today I will again explain you some few basic things of HTML, and we will start with the basic of HTML. Okay, now what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to design the web page. What is HTML? Full form of HTML is hypertext markup language, which is used to design the web page. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to design the web page. Now, who developed HTML? Tim Berners. Tim Berners-Lee. It was the name of the developer. Tim Berners-Lee developed the HTML in 1989 and the World Wide Web in 1991. Tim Berners-Lee developed the HTML in 1989 and the World Wide Web in 1991. Okay, these are the basic things. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. It is used to design the web page. Web page means when you are going through the internet, the pages which are opening while surfing the internet, those pages are known as web pages. And who developed? Tim Berners-Lee developed the HTML in 1989 and the World Wide Web, that is WWW, in 1991. Okay, now we will see the next thing, that is the structure of HTML. See, the structure of HTML, it consists of HTML. First tag is here, it is tag. Oh, 1 minute, it was these are the tags. So now which tags we have to use here? This is your first tag, that is HTML. Tag means which is written between the angles, that is tag. HTML is a tag. After that, head tag. Head tag consists of again title tag, ending and closing. Both tags are present. See, this is your opening tag. This is your opening tag, and this is your closing tag. Difference is that this slash is the difference between opening tag and the closing tag. Afterwards, head tag and opening, and this is your closing. This is title, opening, closing. This is body tag, opening, closing. See, each and every tag has the opening and closing tags, closing tags are there. Every tag has opening and closing tags. Okay, so for these only they are known HTML tags. Tags. Okay, the structure of HTML document is like this only. And we are opening the tag, we have to close that tag. We are open HTML tag, close it. Head tag, close it. Then title tag, that also you have to close. Body tag also you have to close. Okay, note down this structure of HTML document. Okay, afterwards, next is our HTML tags. These are the keywords enclosed between. Now you don't know about, if you don't remember or don't know about the HTML tag, see, these are the keywords enclosed between the angle bracket. See, this keyword, okay, enclosed between the angle bracket is known as HTML tags. Like this, B tag is enclosed between two angles, so that is a tag. Whatever the keywords are enclosed between the angles are known as the HTML tags. Hope you understood the tags. Okay, enclosed between the angle brackets, and angle brackets are like that. This is the example, HTML and B. B means for bold. I hope you remember everything. I already explained these things in our last year. Okay, Now next is your creating and viewing the HTML document. How to create and how to view the HTML document. Steps I have given you. You have to note down the steps. So many mistakes you have doing while doing the practical. So note down this time very properly. Creating and viewing the HTML document. Steps to write HTML code. Which steps you have to write? Write HTML code in Notepad. You have to open the Notepad, write down the steps, whatever the steps are there, save the file with .html extension. Okay, these are the steps. Note down the steps. These are very important steps. If you forget anything, the whole program will lost. See, example of HTML code. This is only one of the example. HTML body. It is your Notepad. HTML body. H1 is the head tag. I have written H1. Then P is for paragraph tag, body tag, and HTML tag is again closed. Okay, this is only one of the example. No need to write down, only understood. Next I will show you the practical of. See, this is your Notepad. Open the Notepad and I have written these lines. Okay, means these are the codes. HTML head, title, my first page. You write down anything whatever you want to write. In the body tag also you want to write one paragraph, you can write down that paragraph also. This is only an example and you have to make this code, make this Notepad. Open the Notepad and make this type of code in yourself at home. Okay, so these are the, like this you have to note down in your Notepad. Okay, now next step. See, next what happened after writing, you have to save it. So go in file and save. See here, this is your file and this is your save. Got it? You have to save here. How to save? Like this, go and save. Then next it will open like this. Okay, then you have to write down here whatever the file name you want to give. Write down the file name and save it. Now I will write my file name. See that. See, now this is my file name. I have written my page .html and where I have saved this desktop. Okay, my page.html and then click their desktop, that you are saving it on desktop, so therefore desktop. Understood? Note down what is open, everything you have to note down because it is very important for you to note down these things. Okay, now next, see, when you will save that file it will come like this. Okay, this is my page. Okay, my page. And why Google sign? Because it is a web page, so it is opening in this sign only. If it is coming like this in this sign, then only your program you have written and you have saved, it is correct. Written not, it is saved properly. Got it? I hope you understood everything, all the steps. If you want, repeat then open. Sorry, when it came like this, you have to double click on this icon. Okay, double click on this icon, then it will open like this. This is your web page and whatever I have written there in body tag, hi, good morning dear students, it is written here. Okay, I hope you understood this practical. This is only the basic practical and you have to perform it very properly. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, once more. See, all the I will going back to back. Okay, so see what happened and how all these things are present here very properly. Whatever I have done, I have given here those screenshots only. Okay, whatever the steps I am showing you, you have to do it very properly so that if you are doing it properly, then only it will possible for you to perform the practicals properly. Okay, I hope you understood everything very properly. Note down these things, because without this it is not possible for you to perform the practicals. Okay. Thank you so much for listening, and do these practicals properly. Afterwards we will see the next practical steps of HTMLs. Okay, thank you so much.